Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you would like to know the price, simply click on the link in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we greatly appreciate it if you would buy a watch at JazzTime.com. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Omega Seamaster Titanium Diver 300M, reference 212.92.44.50.99.001, 44 millimeter. I'm going to talk to you guys about the bezel, the dial, the case, the bracelet, try it on, and give you my thoughts. So let's dive right in. As I said, this watch is 44 millimeters and it's titanium. That means from my thumb to my index finger, it's about the largest Seamaster that they make, 44 millimeters. And for me, I think it looks really cool. Now, what's interesting about this watch, aside from some of the functions that it can do, is that it's made of titanium. Titanium is both difficult to work with, very light, and very, very strong. Okay, so the whole watch, or at least the whole head, is made of titanium. And as I said, it has a case diameter of 44 millimeters and a lug width between the lugs, that means the space of this bracelet, is 21 millimeters. And the dial color here is gray as you see it. Okay, and the bezel, I think, I'm looking here at their website. Now, Omega calls this the Seamaster ETNZ. Now, I guess that stands for some kind of Emirates Team New Zealand, some special edition limited. So, I don't know much about yachting, but I'm reading this off their website, and that's what it says. Now, it also says that they used grade 5 titanium to make this watch. So, basically, it means it uses a very, very good titanium. I don't know exactly how many grades there are, but I'm assuming Omega probably uses the best. Okay, now let's talk about the bracelet. The bracelet is a rubber strap, and probably very fitting for a watch that was meant to be worn during yachting because, well, you're probably going to get wet, and leather probably would not be the best, and metal is not the most comfortable. So anyhow, rubber, here it is. And I really like that. It's a nice touch to put black on the outside with these red accents right on the dial as well as on the inside of this. It really gives it like a racing look. Okay, now the crystal is a domed scratch resistant sapphire crystal with anti-reflective on both sides. Now, they said it's domed. I actually kind of see that. Not really domed. You can see a little bit. Domed means it's not completely flat, and you can kind of see that. And it has anti-reflective on both sides. That means, you see how I'm turning it right now? You can still see what time it is. If it didn't have that anti-reflective, you couldn't see what time it is. Okay, it has a water resistance of 300 meters. Yeah, I'm not surprised because it is meant to be worn in water. But, you know, most of us are not going to use this up to that far. So that doesn't really matter. Now, okay, I've just been setting the chronograph feature here. You know, it says on their website that this watch does a chronograph, which you probably see right here. It's not that difficult to see. Let's try to reset it. Oh yeah, there you go. You reset it. So start, stop, and reset on the bottom. Okay, and every time this goes around 60 one time, then I guess this right here on the right-hand side will move over one. I'm not sure how that works exactly, but look, their website says it's a regatta timing. It also does a chronograph and it also has a date. Well, I do see the date. I do see the chronograph. I don't really know how the regatta works because I'm not doing that. But anyways, I see the second hand is right here. So that's always moving. This red hand moves once you set it. And I don't really know how that regatta works. And I'm getting kind of tired of doing these YouTube videos, so you guys are going to have to tell me how it works. Leave it in the comment section below. I've showed you enough about the watch. If you'd like to buy it, please go to jazztime.com, JAZTIME.com. What are my thoughts on this watch? Well, if you would like a Seamaster that doesn't look like all other Seamasters in this really awesome looking gray, well, this would be the watch for you. One thing is it's quite thick, so you have to like big watches. Now, I have not seen another Seamaster in gray for quite some time. Actually, I'm not even sure I have seen a Seamaster in gray. It's quite an interesting color, probably because it's titanium. I really like the red accents, and it fits quite comfortably on the wrist, even though it's kind of thick because of this leather, this rubber strap. And of course, it's adjustable. You see how you just adjust it right there with the holes. Not that difficult. Anyhow, if you'd like to buy this watch, please go to jazztime.com, JAZTIME.com. Oh yeah, and by the way, hey, I figured out what happens after 1 minute. Let's take a look. So check this out. Pretty cool. If you look there, it's actually moved over. The whole red thing moved over 1. You see that the beginning of the left side, it's moved over 1 minute. Now, as we're approaching on the 2nd minute, it's also moving. So this red thing will actually go around 30 minutes. Pretty cool, huh?
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on the mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.